Build, 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 and build. Santa Rosa development is very alive and kicking from residential, commercial, at sa lahat ng mga pinakita natin all throughout the intro of this video. Kitang-kita naman kung ano yung magiging future ng Santa Rosa. So, if you are not yet buying or investing your property here, you gotta hurry up. This is Jairi Mamaklay, your property geek, and I'm excited for this video because we will just chill, drive, and I will show you kung ano yung updates ngayon ng Santa Rosa, Laguna, only here in our YouTube video. So yung mga nakapag-invest here at the Tower 3 of Zadia, almost complete for the shell or the outside of the condominium. They're already working on the inside or the interior finishes, and of course, the clubhouse. So kung ano yung pinakita nilang render sa mga advertisement flyers or brochures, yan na yan din po ang ipapakita nila. And of course, if we will turn around, yung mga nakikita nyo dito, alive na rin at kitang-kita, very active na rin ang land excavation for our Tower 4. And kahit ako as an investor of a condo unit here in Zadia, nakakatuwa yung market value appreciation at lalong mag-a-appreciate pa in the future because as you all can see, napakalapit natin sa Museum for Architecture and Residences, which would be the mixed-use high-end residential or luxury condominium na pinakamalapit kay Zadia. So if you are excited for our tour today, watch out because I'll take you to Nuvali Flyover. And we are now entering the Nuvali Flyover, guys. So it was just opened recently, I think 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. And that is why I am confident with how, like yung master plan no, ng Santa Rosa City. Kasi it's not just one developer, 2 developers, 3 developers, but 5 developers. And with the help of the local government unit of Santa Rosa, they know na talagang grabe yung developments dito sa area, the premier suburb no, dito sa Pilipinas. And they are also developing road networks no, para at least yung expectation nila kapag nag-full blow na yung operations, may it be residential or commercial. So meron tayong mga nakaplano na mga road networks katulad nitong Nuvali Flyover. So we'll just be having a short road trip, no? And meron tayong bagong bukas na golf course. So pupunta tayo sa golf course in which yun ang pinakamalapit sa isang condo project natin, which is Una Apartment by Arthaland, which is also beside De La Salle University Laguna campus. So imagine like a community or a city na kapag buo mo ng family mo and nagkaroon ka na ng toddler and then mag-school na siya, nandito na yung Miriam College, Xavier School, University, Belt of the South like De La Salle University and UST, and hanggang sa mag-start siya ng career niya, we have pocket business districts here, just like East Block and Broadfield by also Ayala. And here, no, habang nakastop tayo sa stoplight, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nuvali, the famous Nuvali, isa sa mga unang nag-develop ng city na ito. And look how green, how lush it is, no? Kahit sa video, I mean, ako na resident dito, habang nagda-drive, no, nakaka-relax talaga siya kasi iba yung balance when it comes to green spaces, open spaces, and yung mga nakikita mo and nafe-feel mo while you're driving. So ito yung isa sa nagsiseparate, no, sa development ni Santa Rosa, Laguna, especially Greenfield and Nuvali, because they're balancing, no, the environment, yung green spaces, and of course your suburban living. Hindi na tayo papasok sa Nuvali kasi ilang beses na natin siyang na-feature or na-cover. But yeah, ito yung feels niya, guys, no? Nandito rin to sa mga video namin dati. yung feels mo habang nagdadrive ka sa New Valley. So, ibang-iba siya. Very relaxing. At ngayon, nandito tayo sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. So, this road, this is the National Highway of Santa Rosa. If we will go straight, papunta na tong Balibago Complex if taga Laguna kayo or if sanay kayo no, sa mga service roads ni Laguna, papunta tong Balibago Complex. And then, kapag dinire-diretso mo yon, pupunta ka na sa highway papuntang Binyan, Cabuyao. And then, if other side naman tayo ng road, if you will go straight no, from here to the other side of the road, papunta ka sa Tagaytay. So, ito po yung parang pinaka-connector niya, no? Yung sa gitna. And then, we will enter Greenfield City. That's why, lagi ko sinasabi na para lang gumagawa ng sariling Sim City, mga developers, kasi tabi-tabi lang sila, but it doesn't mean that if you invested in Greenfield City, you will not enjoy the developments of New Valley by Ayala. Ito yung advantage mo dito. Kahit saan ka mag-develop, kahit sa New Valley or Greenfield man, ma-enjoy mo no, yung developments ng bawat isa. So, ang pag-appreciate ng market value over time, lahat no, na dadamay dahil lahat no, nagbe-benefit sa developments ng bawat isa. And yeah, we're already here in Greenfield City, and then if you look at your right, no, or left at the video ba, so nandito yung Paseo Arcadia, ito yung commercial development ni Greenfield City. And ano yung difference niya, Jaire, sa Soledad of New Valley? Well, ito is more of like mga outlets. I can parang picture it out like mga outlets na napuntahan ko sa US, just like in Florida, in California. So maraming outlets dyan like Nike, Skechers, Adidas. So kilala naman na talaga itong Paseo, and nandyan na yan, 1990s pa lang. So yung development dito, no, tuloy-tuloy talaga, but ngayon lang talagang year, siguro mga starting 2010 na talagang sobrang nag-develop or talagang sobrang nagsunod-sunod no, yung developments dito sa area. And we will turn left. So ano pa yung unique dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna? If you are the type of investor na hindi ko naman titirhan yung Jaire, or like yung mga clients ko na they bought a residential lot dun banda sa New Valley and Greenfield, and then they want to have a passive income pa rin. That's why they also bought condominium units like Zadia, kasi ang naiba dito sa Santa Rosa, no, na nakikita kong talagang magiging self-sustaining siya, may it be dito mo gusto mag-retire, dito mo gusto mag-build ng family, or dito mo gusto mag-invest for passive income, for rental business. Ang ganda niya kasi nandito rin yung Laguna Technopark. Actually, sa right natin is already the Laguna Technopark, at isa lang yan sa Technopark dito sa Laguna area. Sa Santa Rosa, ito yung pinakamalaki, pero malapit lang dito sa Cabuyao, which they also have their own Technopark, at nandyan yung mga electronics companies such as Toshiba, other American companies, and yung mga nag-visit na expats dito for 6 months to 1 year, naghahanap yan ng place to stay. So marami din tayong Korean expats, Japanese, and American na nagre-rent ngayon sa Zadia. So bukod dyan, of course, no, nakikita nyo yung logo ni LaSalle dito sa video. So nandito yung De La Salle Laguna, which is also an extension campus of their main campus in DLSU Taft. So it's around 70 to 80 hectares. So imagine that, no? Napakalaki po ng ginagawang development dito sa area. And we're here, no? Papakita ko rin sa inyo kung ano na yung update sa Broadfield Business District. So magkakalapit lang talaga sila, yung malapit sa LaSalle. Well, for verification yung size no, ng LaSalle, but it's really, really big. Mas malaki pa talaga siya kay UST Laguna because they're catering from business education or basic education rather to college. Gion, medyo lutang pa ako kasi nag-exam po ako kahapon, no? But yeah, na-miss ko mag-work, na-miss ko tong ginagawa natin, na-miss ko yung pag-shoot natin because I've been busy at hindi ako nakakapag-upload for the past 2 to 3 weeks. So sabi ko kay Gion, after ng exam ko kinabukasan, mag-shoot na tayo. So nandito tayo ngayon, no, sa area papunta kay Broadfield Business District, and on your right, ito na yung Calax or Cavite Laguna Expressway. So bukod sa New Valley Flyover, bukod dito kay Cavite Laguna Expressway, nakakonect din po tayo sa South Luzon Expressways with 3 major exits. That is Mamplasan exit, that is Eton City exit, Santa Rosa exit, plus one pa pala, the Silangan exit. If you're living dun sa Calamba area naman, Nino Valley, yun yung isa sa pinakamalapit na SLEX exit. So imagine na hindi talaga magkakaroon ng bottleneck in the future because we do have different road networks here. And on our left naman, this is one of the very first projects of Alveo, house and lot projects dito. I think it's San Jose Village, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's San Jose Village. And then, if we go straight here, actually, nasa boundary na po ito ni Santa Rosa at Binyan. That is why ang address na dito is Binyan, pero malapit din sila sa New Valley, no? And then, kapag naman nagdiretso tayo kanina, hindi tayo nag-right, yun na po yung South Forbes, no? Silang na yung address niya, and this is where West Grove, Ayala West Grove Heights is located. Bali Mansions, Berkeley Suites, yung mga binibenta nating mga condos dati. So, they are really doing their best to make this city very self-sustaining in the future, no? And of course, in terms of like economic development, nakita naman natin, Laguna, no, as a province, sila yung major contributor on the GDP growth with about 1 trillion pesos, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the Broadfield Business District, mga commercial lots. So imagine, like technically they are dubbing this as the Silicon Valley of the Philippines. So I'm picturing out offices here of Amazon, siguro mga tech companies, maybe Apple, I think so. Yeah, but imagine, no, business district with a view. So look at that view. And aside from it, no, build talaga, no, dahil nag-top off na po this first quarter of 2025 yung una apartment, Tower 1. So nakikita nyo rin kung gaano kalapad yung mga kalsada, kung paano nila talaga dine-develop yung area dito sa Santa Rosa area, sa mga boundaries, no, or kalapit na mga lugar such as Silang and Binyan City. And kita na rin yung bagong building ng De La Salle University, ang lapit ng una apartment, malapit din ng Zadia dito. So kung nag-iisip kayo na kapag nag-retire kayo dito sa Philippines, when you wanna retire here in New Valley or Greenfield, Santa Rosa, Laguna, so nandito na lahat kapag gusto niyo mag-rental business. And actually, ang dami din ditong mga golf courses. So isa sa pupuntahan natin ngayon, bababa tayo sa Teakwood, which is the latest, no, golf area here in the South. So we're here in Teakwood driving range. So ito yung latest driving range dito sa area. So nai-imagine nyo ba kung ano yung lifestyle na gustong ma-develop ng mga developers, no, dito sa city of Santa Rosa, Laguna? And sa back natin, nandito yung una apartment. So they are interconnected with each other. Magkakalapit lang sila. And I wanna end this video sa mga nag-iisip pa or nagtatanong, Jaire, is it still the perfect time to invest in the Philippines? I'm very being honest with you guys kasi in Manila, specifically in Parañaque and Pasay, nandun yung oversupply ng condo. But to tell you honestly, this is just within Metro Manila but hindi po affected, no, yung ibang mga city just like ni Santa Rosa. Kaya hanggang ngayon, no, very active pa rin yung condominium developments here. And if you don't want to invest in condo, we have house and lot, we have lots here. Ang sa akin lang is we don't wanna regret the fact na you still have time. This is still the golden time na pwede kang mag-invest sa mga pre-selling projects habang sumasabay ka sa flow ng mga commercial developments ng isang area. We don't wanna regret yung mga sinasabi ng clients ko before na ganito yung BGC before but hindi kami nag-invest. And meron pa tayong chance, no? We always have a chance to invest at makahabol at maposition yung property or investment natin here. That is why I'm also walking the talk. I'm not just like marketing na ang ganda dito sa New Valley, kailangan tumira ako dito, kailangan maranasan ko yung lifestyle, kailangan mag-invest din ako dito. That is why I also positioned my condo investment in Zadia. I also bought a lot in the area because I really believe I really believe kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa future, and hindi naman tayo binibigo ng Santa Rosa, Laguna dahil they're showing us, no? Tuloy-tuloy ang development, Gyrek. Kung ano yung promise namin na nasa pipeline namin before, it will happen, and it's really happening right now. So if you want to inquire, if you want to just check out the entire area, I am giving my service, no? If wala pa kayo sa investment stage, we do have a Santa Rosa road trip personally assisted by yours truly, your property geek. Just contact me para lang, Jaire, we want to feel muna yung environment, and then we decide if we want to go to the next stage, which is on the investment stage or on the site viewing. But if you are already decided, you can also contact me through my Viber local mobile number, WhatsApp account, that's +63927 185 1590. Again, that's iMessage, Viber, WhatsApp account, and that's also my local number, that's +63927 185 1590 if you want to start your investment journey here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. I am also still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section, and also I am active in our social media accounts, the Property Geek Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe and like at abangan nyo yung mga newest videos natin only here on our YouTube, the Property Geek channel. Maraming salamat, guys. This has been Jaire Mamaklay, and see you very soon.